As the founder of the World Economic Forum would have it in an interview in July, we all know but still pay insufficient attention to the frightening scenario of a comprehensive cyber attack, which would bring a complete halt to the power supply, transportation, hospital services, our society as a whole. According to a famous billionaire bookie, I've moved most of my assets into cash and I'm looking for opportunities. Until the current social climate settles down, I don't plan on moving any assets into the markets. What does this all tell you? There's a financial crisis underway, and people, investors, traders, and billionaires alike are looking for safekeeping, a place to stash their cash until this period of recession recedes and dies down. The big question on everybody's mind is, what do we do? Where do we run to? Curious to know who these people are and why it matters that they've made these statements? Well, stick around for more. If this is your first time on the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. You can also join our free Discord group via the link in the description for daily signals and a community of like-minded traders and investors. And now you can support us on Patreon. We have several packages you can choose from according to your particular investment goals. And we have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for VIP access on Discord, which gives you exclusive benefits far beyond the free features. Be sure to check out the links in the video description and in the pinned comment. Shortly, XRP will be used as the standard for real-time gross settlement, currency exchange, and remittance services. No doubt, this token would have made you a fortune in just a few years. Now let's talk about what investing in XRP 5 years ago with $1,000 capital would have fetched you now and even in the future. But before we delve into that, here are some questions I would like for you guys to answer me. How much XRP do you own? When was your entry point into this digital asset? Was it this year, last year, or a few years back when we had our previous bull season? And essentially, how did you learn about the XRP coin? Feel free to drop your answers in the comment section below. You might inspire someone. You never know. So back to the topic at hand. What would be your profit margin right now if you had invested in XRP a couple of years back? If you had invested in XRP 5 years ago? Well, the growth of $1,000 investment in XRP from 5 years ago would have got you well above $100,000 right as we speak. If we roll back to June 2016, where we had the price of a single XRP token hovering around half a cent to 0.6 cents, an investment of $1,000 would have given you 1,000 divided by the value of a single XRP coin at the time, which sums up to somewhere around 166,666 units of XRP tokens. Nice. At the time of recording, the price of XRP is valued at 62 cents. So if we're to multiply the current value of XRP with the 166,000 units of XRP tokens you had acquired and held onto until this point from back in 2016, you'd have about $100,000. And the current XRP value is only due to the recent downtrend in which the entire cryptocurrency market has fallen for quite some time now. Now let's imagine you had withdrawn a few years back, say when the price of XRP was around its highest of about $3.40 back in 2018. You would have made 3.34 cents multiplied by 166,000 units of XRP, and you'd have made over $500,000. And if you feel that's far-fetched, then let's take a look at its most recent all-time high from a few months back, when the price of a single XRP peaked to about $2, precisely at $1.84. Multiplying that value by 166,000 units of XRP would have made you over $300,000. And even now, when the downswing dies down, when Bitcoin's price repositions itself at around the $50,000 to $60,000 mark, when XRP's price would get back to its actual price of above $1, taking profits at that point would not be a bad idea at all. If you'd invested 5 years ago and XRP resurfaces back around the dollar price support level, at which point your $1,000 investment would represent an increase of more than 16,000% or $166,000 in monetary terms. Has XRP been profitable to early adopters? Well, you tell me. The calculations we've looked at now show how much money you could make from this asset in the coming years if you hodl from that time onwards. Even if you invest right away into this cryptocurrency, when the price of XRP hits $100, $200, $10,000, you'd have made $100,000, $200,000, or even $1 million with just $1,000 worth of capital in XRP. Do you think XRP's price hitting $10,000 is far-fetched? Well, then take a good look at these price charts of various cryptocurrencies from 5 years ago, such as that of Bitcoin, Ethereum from back in the day, as well as those from more recent times with altcoins like Dogecoin, the ISP coin, and Binance. And you tell me. We all know that cryptocurrencies have been in and out of the public eye for a while now. And while we've seen different versions of the new digital money, this time it's different. With XRP, banks, financial institutions, and corporations can send money globally faster and cheaper. We can't dispute that there has been an increased influx of institutional money into XRP, with hundreds of banks, institutions, and companies have invested heavily in Ripple, and subsequently its native asset, XRP. We could conveniently say that it's only a matter of time before this digital asset hits more extraordinary highs. Do we agree that this may be the super cycle we've all been waiting for? With cryptocurrencies having their most excellent run-up since the start of the year, and several companies looking to use the Ripple platform as the standard for cross-border payments soon, it's only a matter of time before this asset reaches its full potential, at which point the value of the XRP coin would have $100, $200, $500, or even $10,000 as a value, as a former blackjack champion and billionaire investor would have it. Because the conditions of this bull season are unlike anything we've seen in the past. We see that this bull cycle had Bitcoin rising tremendously throughout this period, from around $7,000 to well above $60,000, from the start of the year through the first and second quarters. However, as you can already see from the history of XRP and cryptocurrency price charts, it's not always an easy feat to know when to buy and sell, as you'll see in the coming weeks or months when the markets start to register new price margins. But don't be dismayed, as keeping you right on track is what this channel is notably for. All you have to do is keep following the market trends and keep a close eye on it so you don't miss out on the best buy or sell positions. Following a statement during an interview with Forbes contributing journalist John Navin, Steve Wynn had predicted that the architecture of the XRP protocol is designed to cater for an increased adoption which will skyrocket the token's valuation to $10,000. As Wynn would have it, although currently the 7th largest digital asset, XRP is designed to have a value of $10,000 per coin. The billionaire investor, who's also pro-XRP, had earlier hinted about his involvement with cryptocurrencies, with keen attention to XRP, where he had bought a significant amount. When asked about how long he plans to hodl onto the coin and what his stop-loss prices are for the token, his response was, "When I made the purchase of the coins, I was in for the long term, at least 5 years." The billionaire investor, who single-handedly brought the entire Las Vegas hotel business to life, added that, like any investment, this relies on an investor's current financial position. Right now, I am in wait-and-see mode. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please consider leaving a like on it, hitting that subscribe button, and turning on post notifications. Be sure to check out the links in the description where you can sign up for our free Discord group and also support us on Patreon. We have a special offer for our first 100 members, so be sure to check it out. If you have any questions or comments, let us know, and we'll see you next time.
That's how it goes. Hollywood Carson.